Okay everyone, welcome to another video here on the Fox Tech YouTube channel. This time we talk about HEIC photos and how you can convert them to the JPEG format available on the iPhone. How can you do it right on the iPhone? Well, at first what you have to do is to make sure it never happens again, so you have to turn it off inside of these settings. So you open up these settings like that and you just have to scroll down and find the camera section. So you click on camera and click on formats. When you click on formats, there is the option for high efficiency and most compatible. And by definition, most compatible is going to be most compatible, which is the definition of JPEG format. So you don't want to have it on high efficiency. If you do have it, make sure to switch it to most compatible. And this is going to make sure that your future photos are going to be in the JPEG format instead of HEIC. However, if you already have some of them available, or if you have some photos in the other format, what you can do is to still convert it using some kind of converter. So if you fire up Safari like that and look up literally HEIC to JPEG like that, you're going to be presented with many different websites. The first one is the one which I've already visited. So you can click on that one and just upload the photos from the library, which you believe are in the HEIC format. So for example, the picture right here, you have to upload it like that. And then you can see it's just like uploading a photo, and it depends on how many photos you have. And I would argue that it's actually more comfortable to do it on a computer than on a phone, but you have the option to do it here as well. So you just have to wait for it. As you can see, it's just one photo and it's taking up quite some time, also depending on your internet connection. But once the process is finished, you can download the same photo but in JPEG format. So you can see it right here, just download it like that. And you can just hold down on it, save to photos, and it's basically going to be the same one, but this time it's going to be in the JPEG. So that's how it works, that's how you can do it, that's how you can convert it. By the way guys, I want you to check out the Fox Tech educational platform down below, which is a place I created on the internet, which allows you to see and watch many different courses, iPhone related stuff. I just dropped the in-depth dynamic island guide course for free. You can join it right now. The link is down below in the description. Thank you very much for watching for now, and I'll see you in the next video.